Yeah, I need 5 wives.
5 what? Do you see too much? No.
No, why is that too much?
Wife England is good.
No, not in England. Here, I want 5 wives.
Next time if you come, I try you one here.
You give me 5.
You get no 5 to explain. No.
Why not 5? Who say 4?
Eh?
Why? Isn't there 7 days to the week?
No, 5.
Why can't I have 7?
5 is too much. 5 is too much to you. You are a small boy. You are a small boy. 1. Okay.
1?
Yes.
Good morning. This is day number something, I'm not quite sure. But here I am in Wassu. I'm at a compound, my friend's compound, which is rather interesting. The gentleman over here, he's got 4 wives and 20 plus children. I want to be like him. I don't care what you say. I want to be like him. These are his children. Now today, I just gave this guy my rollerblades. And this is funny stuff. This is funny. He's trying to learn to ride rollerblade. And we're having a laugh here. So here we go. Yep, for rollerblade time. He's practicing, but he's not getting nowhere. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, here we go. He's not moving. Yeah. Yes. Morning training of rollerblade. I just gave him my rollerblades and look at the calamity. So they're having a heck of a time because he's learning to rollerblade. This is gonna be hell. Hey, he got it. I understand?
Yes.
Ah. It is? Thank you. Good morning, party people. Wassu. It's Wassu, right?
Yeah, Wassu.
Yeah. So this is where I slept last night. With little big patron. What's your dad's name? Sanku.
Suare.
When I grow up, I want to be like him. This man is he's a big man in Wassu. He has all the women in Wassu, and half the population of Wassu is his.
If you want to get married, he's one who tied the marriage.
Boy, oh, he tied the marriage?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
So I can't get married in Wassu without him?
No.
Ah. So can you find me a wife?
Ako akata fu nkai nako. Ako telo mbosula ke babad. Ako bebe telo buljam. Nkai hani la fuku ko fuku no ni tamo fuku.
Oh yeah.
Ako to yara ko ko sama ko no musoto.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's Mandinka.
Yeah, I need 5 wives.
5 what? Do you see too much? No.
No, why is that too much?
Wife England is good.
No, not in England. Here, I want 5 wives.
Next time if you come, I try you one here.
You give me 5.
You get no 5 to explain. No.
Why not 5? Who say 4?
Eh?
Why? Isn't there 7 days to the week?
No, 5.
Why can't I have 7?
5 is too much. 5 is too much to you. You are a small boy. You are a small boy. 1. Okay.
1?
Yes, you want some? you start for help yourself. If you take 5 women, it's no good to you.
Why no? Why
It's problem.
No, it isn't.
Any woman compound.
Yeah.
5 compound. England.
No, not England here.
Yeah. Okay. If you come here,
Yeah.
I try you get wife here if you want.
Yeah, I'll build a compound like yours,
Yes.
and then I'll have my 5 wives on the compound.
But no 5. No 5. 5 is too much.
No,
5 is no good to you.
8,
5 woman to you.
I go 8.
7.
This is too much.
Iya, barato satu bang.
Berado.
Ha.
Hey, berado jibe nyeba ai. Berado kal ka de ma berado to. Modu. Nasa berado jibe ba ataka jibe ko.
Anda tabela.
Tabila kono. Emu na tabila kono.
Pantat sale.
Patan jo. O berada ba na tiae. Hey. Ngo berada war ma e be tabiro kala kono.
Patansi ani mu.
Hey, bingo. Ngo. Berada ba be jele.
Ibe patansi o tabila kono.
Ha, avanta.
Ako patansi o doro.
Ha.
Iba kala nyaade ni ata.
5 wife is too much you.
Iba jan la fo iba tabila.
You father de.
Iba tabila.
Is my father dead?
Iba tabila.
Ide.
No.
You mother.
Ya tabila.
Mongolia.
You
Korea.
brother.
Ha.
Yeah.
Your sister.
Kendo.
Okay, you get family.
Panda.
Yeah.
No.
You know take the 5 women. 5 women.
That's
No, that's no good.
What's it called?
Why?
No good to you. 1. Okay. You are small boy. 1.
No,
Take
I
1.
just need the
You
grill.
try your
We
family.
don't need the pot.
We
You
don't need
try
the
yourself.
new.
You
So-
get plenty money. Okay.
We are going back.
Okay. So take.
If you get son, 2 son or 3 son, 4 son,
We don't
5
need
son,
it. We
1
don't
woman.
need the pot. We don't need the pot. We just need the set.
So take
just
one
need
wife
the grill.
first.
The grill.
1 wife is good to
Hey.
you.
Janila.
How many wives do you have?
Me I have
Kom
4.
ko ka janilo kemin.
So why can't I have?
Me a farmer.
Yes, we have the,
I'm farmer
we have
too.
the grill. We just want the thing to put
Yeah,
the
if he
charcoal in.
knows no power, no nothing. No.
No, I have power.
But go there, you help them.
No technician education. No education. Marabu education, yes.
Okay.
I get Marabu education.
But I have plenty of power.
Imam, pray.
Yeah. But I have plenty of
Yeah,
power.
it's elder.
Yeah.
It's elder Nyatonkol. Elder
Elder
Nyatonkol.
of the village.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No problem.
Yeah, this village. Yeah,
No problem. So I'm coming back to Wassu to get me some wives.
Where?
1.
No, 5.
8.
Not I can build a compound.
5 is too much. 1. Yes. You
5
get
is-
here
5 is
compound,
5
but
problem.
it's 5 is too many.
When one get me angry, I go to the next one.
Akonyagi.
Oh, okay.
But just
Yeah.
things that are different than rice and sauce.
Ah. Okay. Yeah.
No.
Take one. You marry. If you marry, take 1. You come here.
Baba.
You get here 2 months, 3 months.
Baba.
Eh?
I
I give you compound here. If you come here, get here 3 months, 2 go. With 1 here, 1 man,
so
1
okay.
woman.
So one in Wassu and another one in the other village.
No. 1 here.
I know one here. I know one here, one in the other village, one in the other village.
No. This
Baba.
is no good. You are a small boy.
You keep on.
Before I take 4. I get father this.
Yeah.
That's my mom.
15 years
Yeah.
married.
Yeah.
15 years. After 15
Right.
years,
I know.
I take 1 woman.
Yes, I know.
After 5 years, I take 1. After 5 years, I take 1.
Okay.
Okay.
So me, you say after 5 years.
Me, now if you know, if you know, I'm not good money, but this if you get small, he sent me.
Yeah.
My father try yourself with this. Okay.
So me, what I'll do, I'll get one wife, and then 5 months later.